What's up, YouTube? JC News Now. I don't need any directives from you.
You can go back over there.
Am I detained?
No, you need
then
to go
don't
back
give
over
me
there.
any directives.
If you enter into the
You're
traffic
buckling the
stop, you heard
sidewalk.
of obstruction of justice?
Just shut up.
So you're going to tell me to shut up after I'm telling you need to back up?
I'm telling you, you don't need to give me any orders unless you can attach a law to it.
So obstruction of justice is a law, and I'm saying that you can't enter into a traffic stop. So
I'm not going to enter your stop.
Okay, you're getting up into this officer's space.
You spoke to me, sir.
Yeah, because you're approaching.
It's a sidewalk.
And obviously you can't walk here. They have their lights on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Federal case law has already ruled that 10 feet is the appropriate distance.
Yeah.
So I don't know where you got that. What federal case law? What's
Glick versus CarTheif.
Let me write it down.
Oh shit, Turner versus Driver. There's a
Now you got another one. What is it?
million of them. Turner versus Driver.
Turner versus driver, Smith.
I don't need to do your job for you.
No, that's fine. But don't take another step.
I'll walk right through this dude.
Then you go to jail.
For what?
For obstruction of justice. 'Cause
Obstructions,
it's a traffic stop.
it's
You're
physical.
investigating a traffic stop and you did not enter a traffic stop.
Why don't you pay attention to your stop and mind your business? You don't tell me how to report, and I won't tell you how to cop. How's that sound, dumbass?
Get in his way or not.
Good God. Gotta bark orders, dummy. I ain't met that clown yet, fucking tyrant. You're gonna be famous, Buster. Young lady, I hope you don't take cues from him. Me too. Tell me what to do. Dipshit. Yeah, I don't want to take the ride tonight. So I can cross the street and travel. I have to cross a busy intersection to walk the sidewalk. That shit's just plumb ignorant. Let me get his CAD. Yeah, mine too. Did you catch his name?
No, he didn't introduce himself.
So afraid of a camera, they threaten you with arrest. Fucking clown.
Obstruction, you'd have to get in his space.
Right. Obstruction's physical, dumbass.
Nowhere near.
He took his eyes off his stop to come mess with a camera guy. Bad policing. He's leaving? I need his name and badge number. Put paper on this idiot.
Well, got one going in this week and won't be able to get on that.
Yeah. go?
He's on the inside of that alley.
Oh, okay, I see him now.
He got back out of his SUV. He's in an unmarked unit.
Mm-hmm. What unit is that? 2306?
I can't see it from here.
This one's 2306. I can't see the other one.
Well, the other one's unmarked, so there's no telling. No worst case scenario, I'll ask one of his fellow gang members.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Brakes on, so he's leaving.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's got the third tail light on me, so it's third tail lights.
Mm-hmm.
Those brakes.
Pardon me, ma'am. Can you identify?
What is his bad name and badge number? Well, he's
Oh,
already driving
come on,
away.
man. Excuse me, officer. Can you identify him? Can I get your name and badge number?
Yep, Dan Carlson.
All right, get back to work, Carlson. Quit being a tyrant. None of your business. None of your business. Kick rocks, clown.
I'm fine, go ahead.
We'll wait on you.
Possible, possible.
2221.
Ladies first.
What'd he say? What's your name?
Yeah, what's your name? None of your goddamn business, pig.
Okay, we got one, didn't we?
Yep.
The fucking clowns.
Carlson, I'll get his badge number.
I'll get his badge numbers. Huh?
Got nothing better to do, right?
Nothing better to do than extort money from people.
Fucking ridiculous, man.
Ridiculous. Y'all be safe.
Yeah, keep him
You're
upright,
welcome.
man. Keep him upright.
Fucking idiot.
Carlson was his name.
Yeah, I got in my feelings a little bit. Y'all be careful. All right, I'm out here with CarTheif News, y'all. We're out of here before we get in trouble. JC News Now, peace.